in this question, we have a hexagon, and we are informed that BC is parallel to ED. Work out the size of the obtuse angle DEF. Okay, so so basically what we need to do here is first of all find this angle here. So we can be able to find this angle by remembering the fact that this angle here um, basically EDC, so not EDC and DCB are what we call co-interior angles because of the parallel lines. So these are co-interior angles. Now we know one thing about co-interior angle, they add to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is true. Okay, so basically we can be able to find EDC. So EDC will be equal to 180 minus 42, which means that EDC will be equal to 138 degrees. So this is 138 degrees. Another thing is that sum of interior angles of a polygon. So sum of interior angles of a polygon is given by n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So basically it means that for this hexagon, so sum of interior angles of this hexagon, so sum of interior angles of any hexagon will be given by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. Now if you work that out, that will be equal to 720 degrees. So which means all these angles here, including this one here, which is a reflex angle, add to 720. So basically reflex angle, so you can say, so reflex angle DEF will be equal to 720 minus each of these angles here. So if I just add them up, so 50 plus 138 plus 42 plus 144 plus 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I just check that I have all the whatever. So this will be equal to, I mean, if you plug this in your calculator, that will be equal to 250 degrees. So this angle here is 250. But what we want is the obtuse angle, which is that one. So we can say obtuse angle DEF will be, all these angles add to 360, so just be 360 minus 250 degrees, and that will be equal to 110 degrees. Okay. Next question. So here we have a parallelogram. Again, we have parallel lines. Very important to pay attention to those parallel lines. Now, just like what I mentioned in the previous question, these two angles here are co-interior angles. So note that BAD and ADC are called co-interior angles, and these are formed on parallel lines. Now, one thing you have to know is that there are some okay, try this properly. So there are some is equals to 180 degrees. So using that idea, we can be able to work out the value of x, because you know that 7x minus 20 plus 160 minus 3x will be equal to 180. So 4x plus 140 will be equal to 180. So 4x will be equal to 40, which means x will be equal to 10.